So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about water resources. In previous video we have already discussed about the water cycle. So we all know that everything which exists in nature have a resource from where it comes from. So see in this video for what water is used for.
Is essential for domestic use, cultivation and also for industries. The majority of human uses require fresh water. 97% of water on earth is salt water. Only 2.5 of the total water on the earth exists as fresh water. Around 70% of fresh water is frozen in glaciers and ice sheets. Only 30% of water is stored as groundwater. The source of almost all fresh water is precipitation. India receives nearly 4% of the global precipitation. Around 0.3% of total fresh water exists in river, lakes, streams.
So guys, there are basically two type of water resources: surface water resources and groundwater resources. Let us talk about surface water resources. They are the sources which are present on the surface like oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, etc. Seas and oceans, they contain most of the surface water. About 97.5% of surface water is present in seas and oceans. Rivers and ponds, they contain the remaining freshwater part, which is about 2.5% of total amount. So let us talk about groundwater resources. These are the sources which extracts groundwater like wells, tube wells, the water which is being inside the earth's crust. They extract that water from wells, tube wells, etc. So let us talk about water conservation. As we know that water conservation is very important because we have only a limited sources of water. Water conservation is also important for future generations, as excessive use of water decreases the groundwater level. So let us talk on harvesting of water. The best way to harvest water is rainwater harvesting. To harvest the water which comes from rain, as every year lots of rainwater goes into the oceans, seas, through rivers and became useless, we can conserve this water by rainwater harvesting and by storing it and through filtration. After that we can use it for the regular home purpose and for the irrigation purposes of crops, etc. As this water can be used to irrigate land through drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. In drip irrigation, water is dripped to the roots of plants directly from out of the surface, and in spray irrigation, water is sprayed through some tiny showers on the agricultural field. So I hope that you have understand about the water resources and rainwater harvesting. And thanks for watching this video. Please follow the instructions given below. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. If you need any video regarding any topic, you can write it in comment box. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.